I'm Andrea of Andrea Jordan Skincare, located at Salon Republic, and I'm going to talk about different techniques to give yourself a facial massage. And you want to make sure that you always start with clean hands. One of the first places to start is around the eye area, and I'm going to show you a few pressure points, and you're going to just repeat what I'm doing to you, okay?
Okay.
You're going to put a little bit of pressure right here, just inside the corner of your brow and your eye socket. That's really good for sinus pressure. I have a lot of allergies, and the next few movements can really help drain your sinuses out. You're going to pinch along your brow bone, just like this, in small little movements all the way until you get to the tip. Then you're going to use your thumbs, or in Brooke's case, her fingers are probably going to be easier. And she's going to just push around the bone, around the optical bone there, all the way up, and come back to the corner and apply some pressure. You want to give it a try?
Sure.
Put light pressure there. Now I want you to push on your brow, and just slightly move your fingers a little at a time, all the way out to the tips. Come around, and now work around the bone under your eye. The next move you want to do is to put light pressure at the sides of your nose, and just very consistent, even pressure, and massage right down to the jaw. Do you want to try that?
Sure.
Very good. It's a good idea to repeat these motions maybe 3 to 5 times each. That will help you get the blood flow going, drain your sinuses, and it feels really good too.